In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, often neglecting our mental health and well-being. However, taking the time to prioritize our mental well-being is crucial for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Welcome to our Self-Care Sunday video, where we'll focus on the importance of mental health and well-being in our self-care routines. Why is it so important to prioritize mental health and well-being in our self-care routines? Well, our mental health plays a significant role in our overall well-being. Just like we care for our physical health by eating well and exercising, nurturing our mental health is equally important. By dedicating time to focus on our mental well-being, we can reduce stress, improve our mood, and enhance our overall quality of life. Neglecting our mental health can negatively impact every aspect of our lives. From our relationships to work performance, our mental well-being influences our appearance. That's why setting aside time for self-care and prioritizing mental health is essential for our happiness and fulfillment. I remember a time when I was feeling overwhelmed and stressed out, and I decided to dedicate a whole day to self-care. I focused on activities that brought me joy and helped me relax, like reading a good book, taking a long bath, and going for a peaceful walk in nature. By the end of the day, I felt rejuvenated and more at peace with myself. It was a powerful reminder of prioritizing my mental well-being in my self-care routine. So please grab a cup of tea, cozy up, and join us in our Self-Care Sunday video as we explore the benefits of focusing on mental health and well-being. Let's take a step towards a happier and healthier life together. Mindful morning routine. Are you ready to start your day positively and set the tone for a peaceful and intentional day? Welcome to our mindful morning routine, where we'll guide you through calming activities to help you cultivate a sense of mindfulness and well-being from the moment you wake up. One key component of a mindful morning routine is incorporating activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Consider starting your day with a short meditation session to center yourself and set a positive intention for the day ahead. Focus on your breath, let go of lingering thoughts, and embrace the present moment calmly and clearly. Journaling is another powerful practice to include in your morning routine. Take a few moments to write down your thoughts, feelings, and intentions for the day. Reflect on what you are grateful for and set positive affirmations to guide you through the day. By expressing gratitude and setting intentions, you can cultivate a mindset of positivity and abundance that will carry you through any challenges. Gentle stretching exercises can also help awaken your body and mind, preparing you for the day ahead. Incorporate simple stretches or yoga poses to release tension, improve circulation, and boost energy levels. By moving mindfully and with intention, you can create a sense of balance and harmony within yourself. Creating a peaceful and intentional morning environment is essential for setting the stage for a mindful day. Consider dimming the lights, playing calming music, or lighting a scented candle to enhance the ambiance of your morning routine. By surrounding yourself with tranquility and serenity, you can cultivate peace and mindfulness that will carry you through the day with grace and ease. So rise and shine, and join us in embracing a mindful morning routine to nourish your body, mind, and soul. Start your day with intention, gratitude, and mindfulness, and watch your days become brighter and more fulfilling. Digital detox practices. In a world where we are constantly connected to our digital devices, disconnecting and recharging is essential for our mental well-being. Welcome to our guide on digital detox practices, where we'll explore strategies for reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity by stepping away from technology. One of the most effective ways to disconnect from technology is to engage in offline activities that bring joy and relaxation. Consider picking up a book and immersing yourself in a captivating story, going for a nature walk to reconnect with the outdoors, or practicing a hobby that allows you to be fully present in the moment. By engaging in offline activities, you can give your mind a break from the constant stimulation of screens and cultivate a sense of peace and mindfulness. Setting boundaries for screen time is crucial for maintaining a healthy relationship with technology. Consider establishing designated times during the day when you will disconnect from your devices and prioritize real-life interactions with loved ones. You can nurture relationships and enhance overall well-being by creating space for face-to-face conversations, meaningful connections, and quality offline time. Taking breaks from digital devices can profoundly impact your mental clarity and emotional well-being. Constant exposure to screens can lead to feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, and fatigue. You can experience increased focus, improved mood, and a greater sense of inner peace by intentionally disconnecting and giving yourself time to rest and recharge. So join us in embracing digital detox practices to reduce stress, enhance mental well-being, and reclaim a sense of balance in your life. Disconnect, Unwind and prioritize self-care by stepping away from technology and reconnecting with the present moment. Your mind and soul will thank you for it. Emotional check-in. Regularly checking in with your emotions is a powerful practice that can enhance self-awareness, promote emotional well-being, and foster personal growth. Welcome to our guide on emotional check-ins, where we'll explore strategies for assessing your feelings and emotions to cultivate a more profound sense of self-awareness and reflection. Journaling can be a valuable tool for expressing emotions, identifying triggers, and gaining insight into your inner world. Consider setting aside time daily to write about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. By putting pen to paper, you can release pent-up emotions, gain clarity on your innermost thoughts, and track patterns in your emotional landscape. Journaling can be a safe space for self-expression and self-discovery, allowing you to process and healthily make sense of your emotions. Seeking support from loved ones or a therapist can also be instrumental in navigating complex emotions and challenging situations. Talking openly and honestly about your feelings with trusted individuals can provide validation, perspective, and comfort. Whether it's a heartfelt conversation with a friend or a professional therapy session, reaching out for support can help you feel heard, understood, and supported on your emotional journey. Validating and processing your emotions healthily is essential for maintaining emotional well-being and mental health. Emotions are a natural and integral part of the human experience, and it's important to honor and acknowledge them without judgment. You can cultivate resilience, self-compassion, and emotional intelligence by allowing yourself to feel and express your emotions authentically. So take a moment to check in with yourself. Acknowledge your feelings and embrace the practice of emotional reflection. Self-compassion practices. Practicing self-compassion is a transformative journey toward cultivating kindness, understanding, and acceptance towards oneself. Welcome to our guide on self-compassion practices, where we'll introduce exercises to help you nurture a loving and compassionate relationship with yourself. One powerful way to cultivate self-compassion is through self-affirmations and positive self-talk. Take a moment each day to speak kindly and encourage yourself. Remind yourself of your worth, strengths, and inherent value. Engaging in self-care activities is another essential practice for promoting self-love and acceptance. Self-compassion plays a crucial role in building resilience and enhancing mental well-being. When you approach yourself with kindness and understanding, you create a supportive inner environment to help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease and grace. Through self-affirmations, self-care activities, and a commitment to self-compassion, you can cultivate a loving and nurturing relationship with yourself that will support you on your journey toward greater well-being and fulfillment. Gratitude reflection. In a world filled with distractions and challenges, cultivating a practice of gratitude reflection can be a powerful tool for shifting our focus towards positivity, appreciation, and abundance. Welcome to our exploration of gratitude reflection, where we'll delve into the transformative practice of acknowledging and expressing gratitude in our daily lives. Please take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for, whether it's a kind gesture from a friend, a beautiful sunset, or a moment of peace. By capturing these moments of gratitude in writing or through meditation, you can cultivate a mindset of appreciation and abundance that uplifts your spirits and brings joy to your heart. Research has shown that practicing gratitude can increase happiness, improve relationships, and reduce stress. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude for your blessings, you can cultivate a sense of contentment, resilience, and inner peace. The impact of gratitude on mental health and overall well-being cannot be overstated. When we shift our focus towards gratitude, we train our minds to see the beauty and abundance surrounding us, even amid challenges. So join us in embracing gratitude reflection as a daily practice to cultivate positivity, appreciation, and joy in your life. Acknowledging and expressing gratitude can transform your mindset, elevate your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food and exercise, taking care of our mental well-being is crucial for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. We encourage you to incorporate self-care practices into your weekly routines to nurture your mental well-being and promote balance and harmony. Whether practicing mindfulness, engaging in self-compassion exercises, or disconnecting from technology, find what works best for you and make self-care a priority in your life. We invite you to engage with us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to more self-care content to inspire and support you on your journey toward greater well-being. Let's create a community of self-care enthusiasts who prioritize their mental health, practice self-compassion, and embrace gratitude daily. Thank you for joining us on this Self-Care Sunday video. Remember, your mental health matters, And taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's essential. Here's to a happier, healthier, and more balanced life, filled with self-love, mindfulness, and well-being. Until next time, take care of yourself and prioritize your mental health.